Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find a garden guide from Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Beanstalk update has just launched, and in this update you'll be able to get the garden guide, and I'm going to show you how we can find it. So guys, the developer has just given us the garden guide, and then you can go to your inventory and search for garden guide. Okay, it's like a guidebook. Okay, and then when you open it, you will see the guidance for Grow a Garden. Okay, after you hold this book on your hand, you can click anywhere, and then the guide will be opened. Okay, and then I'm going to start to open the player. Okay, this is my level, and then we can see the daily quest here. Okay, and then you can go to the achievements, and as you can see guys, we got new achievements, and you can try to complete all the achievements to get rewards. I'm going to open the common achievements, and these are the quests that you need to complete to unlock the silver common seed pack. Okay, you need to shovel 100 plants, harvest 200 carrots, gift 1 carrot, sell oh my god 500 strawberries, and give 5 strawberries. Yeah, you can try to complete it guys. You get the reward. And let's open up the I'm going to open prismatic achievements. And wow, it's so crazy. You need to harvest 20,000 mutated plants. Oh my god. So yeah, I think this update is crazy guys, but of course we can get the prismatic achievements and a lot of rewards from here. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!